Hey guys, welcome in this video. I hope that all of you are doing right. So a very unexpected video today, but I had to make it. It's really important that you guys listen. So my real account on Instagram, so Anthony Book, got disabled. The reason that Instagram gave was violating the terms, but I don't think I've really done anything. I've been posting the same kind of content for years and years. So I don't really know what happened. Even to this day, I did everything that I could to get it back. I filled all the forms. I verified my identity. I tried to contact them. I just literally did everything and I just could not manage to get it back, at least for now. I don't know if I will ever get it back or not, but I'm not going to stay without Instagram and without any forms of communication with you guys forever and just waiting for this to happen, right? So I decided to create a new Instagram account. I didn't really have the choice. So this video is just to let you guys know that I do have a new personal account. So again, just like the previous time, because of the fake accounts, I have made this sheet of paper. So as you guys can see, so the first one is Anthony Book RM. So RM stands for Reversal Master. So Anthony Book, I just added the RM at the end, so ANTHONYBOUCRM. Then I still have the Reversal Master account on Instagram, so REVERSALMASTER, and my only real website is www.reversalmaster.com. Everything else is fake, right? So again, just be careful of who you trust, but this is my real new Instagram account. I will put the link in the description box below, so you can go follow me on there, and I will just keep posting, the content as I always used to do, right? I'm not going to change this. Hopefully that this doesn't happen again, right? Because again, as I said, I don't really know why it happened. To be quite honest, I haven't done anything new, or I don't think I've really violated anything. So that's really unfortunate. My hypothesis for now is maybe that because of all of these fake accounts going on, maybe that the algorithm thought that I was a fake account, even if that sounds a bit ridiculous, right? But I mean, it's part of being on social media, I guess, right? So it's very unfortunate, right? My real account is disabled, but all the fake accounts are still there. So I mean, that's the reason why I'm kind of annoyed a bit by the situation. But yeah, so that's the idea. So again, you guys can go follow me on there. If I ever get back my other account, I will let you guys know as well, and I will just go back to using this one. But for the moment, it doesn't really seem like I'm going to get it back. So hopefully it doesn't happen again. So you guys can go follow me on there. Make sure that you also follow the Reversal Master page, because if for whatever reason it happens again, right? Well, at least this time my Reversal Master page did not get disabled or anything like that. So you guys will still be able, to see what I'm doing on this page, right? And also you can add me on Facebook if you want, right? Or TikTok. I have multiple social medias, as you guys know. But yeah, so in terms of Instagram, that's the idea. So that was just a very quick video to let you guys know about the situation. Again, go follow me on there. And I just want to also thank you guys for the support, for just following me and, looking at what I do, right? My goal is always to try to bring you guys as much value as I can. And, I've been doing this for a couple of years already, right? And I don't plan to stop, right? Even if this was, a bit annoying, right, to deal with, because I don't really have the time to deal with this kind of thing, right? Well, at least now I've found a solution to start over with a new account. And at least, well, you guys, that really follow me for real and that really like what I do, well, now you know, and you will still be able to, follow me and, just be in contact with me. So that's what I had for you guys today. Again, thank you for all the support. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys, well, in my next video. So on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.